My Love, written by Judy Faye London, read by Judy Faye London. I'm shouting and shouting, but can you hear me, my love? Why can't I hear you saying anything? Are you even there, my darling? Where am I? I feel I'm in a void. Am I? I'm waiting and waiting. But can you see me, my love? Why can't I see you approaching? Are you even coming, my darling? What am I? I feel I'm a ghost. Am I?